Parang humina na.
Yung may energy.
Ayan again. What's the magic word? Okay. Ready na ang ating kids. Kaya naman mag-start na tayo kay Kuya.
What's your name, Kuya? Sis Sir Hansel. Kaya mo bang sabihin ng happy birthday, Julia, ng pinakamahaba? Hindi, pero feel ko kaya niya. Kaya ko yan, Kuya. Ready ka na ba para sa mga premyo?
Sila yung nag-ano na. Nag-breathing.
Longest happy birthday, go!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 seconds! Ayan, so si Kuya ang ating leading. Next naman po tayo.
Ay, player number 2, what's your name, Kuya? Si Sir Dominic, kaya mo bang ibitang 18 seconds? Hindi niya alam, pero feel ko kaya niya si Kuya.
Kaibigan! Siyempre naman. Kaya naman, longest happy birthday in 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Kuya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
26 seconds! Talagpasan niya ang 18
Ayan, so si
seconds.
Kuya na ang ating leading. Okay, next naman po.
What's your name, Kuya? Si Kuya Liam. Kaya mo bang ibitang 26 seconds?
Ayan, kaya niya yan. Kaya niya. Okay, kaya naman. And 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Julia! 16 seconds!
Seconds. Okay lang
Medyo
tayo, Kuya.
Okay lang yan. Okay, next naman.
For our fourth player na si Baby. Anong name mo, Baby? Okay.
Ano daw po, Kuya Davis? Ayan, si Noah.
Si Noah. Ang cute naman ni Noah. Kaya mo bang ibit ang 26 seconds?
Yes!
Kaya daw ni Kuya Noah. Siyempre naman. Okay, meron siyang 15 seconds.
Okay, 15
okay.
seconds! Ayan, congratulations!
For our fifth player, anong name niyo po, Kuya?
Nathan Kali.
Si Kuya Nathan. Kaya mo bang ibit ang 26 seconds?
Yes!
Kayang-kaya. At dahil dyan, in the count of 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Julia! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24
seconds.
Ayan, so meron na tayong 26 and
24
24
seconds. At si next naman ay si Baby. Anong name mo, Baby?
Oo. Bunso niya.
Si Baby Teo. Kaya mo bang ibit ang 24 and 26 seconds? Hindi niya kaya, pero feel ko kaya niya yan dahil hawak siya ni Kuya.
Okay, kaya naman. And 1, 2, 3. Ayan, it's okay. So, meron din siyang 15 seconds. Ayan, congratulations.
May consolation prize naman si Baby.
Kaya nga.
Okay, next naman po natin ay si Kuya.
Anong name mo, Kuya? Si Kuya Kian. Kaya mo bang ibit ang 24 and 26 seconds?
Ayan. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122 16 seconds.
16 seconds. Okay lang yan, kuya.
Kaya next naman natin si Kuya. What's your name? Gabi. Okay, kaya mo po bang i-beat ang 26 seconds?